My name is Winston, you can call me Win for short. This is a story all about the wonders of legacy, community, and support. I went to the park one day and my friend Swade was there. I brought all of my favorite toys and was ready to share. "Wow! Look at all those toys," Swade said out loud.
"I used my birthday money to buy them all,"
I said so joyfully and proud.
Swade replied, "Having lots of things can surely seem cool.
But my grandpa great taught me that money is the world's greatest tool." I looked at my toys and thought about all the money that I spent. So, I asked Swade to explain just what he meant. He said, "Well, there is something that I think everyone should strive to be. And that, Winnie, is becoming financially free."
Grandpa Great chose to work on financial freedom because he knew
that he didn't want to spend his life stuck doing something that he didn't want to do.
I was curious, I was intrigued, and I wanted to know more. So, I said, "Financial freedom?
Well, what good is it for?" Swade suddenly got excited. "What good isn't it for? That's a better question to ask. With financial freedom, you can accomplish great tasks.
It doesn't matter how many toys you have that you got from the store. What you do for others and what is in your heart matters so much more.
You can help to make your community a better place to be. And it is something we all can achieve, you and me. It will give you more time with your family and friends too. You could create the life you want and do the things you've always wanted to do." That all sounded wonderful, and I thought about wanting to start now. But I had one big question in mind. Okay, but how? First, you would want to have a great mindset. With positivity and a desire to learn, there's nothing you cannot get. Instead of spending on things you don't need, think of how to make that money grow. Making investments in real estate, homes and properties is a wonderful way to go. You may be thinking, "Swade, I can't buy a house. I'm only just 8. But you can start with small things now, there is no need to wait. You could use your birthday money to buy a table to rent to the girls down the street.
So, they could sell their sweet lemonade and their cookies to eat. Each week of selling, they would give you a portion of the money that they made.
And because of the table that you invested in, you both got paid. You could even grow plants and paint planters to sell, surely people would pay.
And they would smile at their new plant in the window each day. You could even make a sugar scrub, and when you sell it all you can make even more.
And if you keep reinvesting your profits, one day you could open your very own store. There are endless ways to make money out there to find. You just have to use the power of your marvelous creative mind."
My grandpa Great started with a single house that he would rent, and it turned out to be
money well spent.
Then he bought RV parks, multifamily houses, and apartments galore.
And with all the rent that they were paying, he had more money and assets than ever before. My heart felt full as I listened, because I knew that although he was making money, he was giving people a home too. I thought about all that I just heard.
"Asset?" I repeated, "Can you explain that word?" "An asset is something that you earn from the money that grandpa's renters pay."
But there is also something called a liability, something that takes money away. You will have to focus on what brings you the most for the time that you spend. It is great to talk to a mentor or a trusty friend. You have to always educate yourself through others or even a book. There is financial knowledge all around, you just have to look.
I started to think about all the ways I could make money to one day be financially free.
To have the time to make memories with the people I love is how life should be. I said, maybe I would build an amusement park with the world's tallest slide. And any time that I want, I could ride any ride. 8% of every ticket sold would go right to my bank.
I could be on a roller coaster making money and have that investment to thank.
Swade giggled, that's the idea, it would have to be planned of course.
If you can make money while you sleep or having fun, you will be one strong force. I said, to get all the properties, your grandpa needed lots of money on hand. Millions, or billions, even trillions, I just don't understand.
Swade laughed again, see that's the thing. When you surround yourself with great people, it's more than joy that they can bring.
Create a team of people around you who all wants each other to succeed, and you all could invest in each other's plans when they need.
Others will be there to teach you and be your guide. And you will find how wonderful it is to have a team by your side. When you have money working for you, you could put focus on health.
You'd be financially free, your kids too, and their kids as well.
That is generational wealth. Grandpa Great taught me to always think of others and always to give. To always make the choices to bring me closer to the life I want to live. I imagined creating a life of freedom for the rest of the day. And I knew from that moment on, I was on my way.
Even though I am young, starting now I will do.
And if I can follow my dreams, then so can you.